let's go ahead and revisit this yesterday and things I need to get done. I'm gonna grab a highlighter, and the green is not going to work very well, but I can grab this brown. I got Jenny's done. I do need to email Caitlin. I did not watch any anxiety videos. Whoa, that's really brown. Fine. Goals in my planner. It's not my planner, but in my goals and did not get that done. Still blank. It's fine. No one's bleeding. We're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this spread up. Sometimes if I've got a huge white space, I don't feel like I need to fill it all the time. Sometimes that's a good thing, but sometimes I just wanna have a little break in the morning and get just put something there. Everything seems to be too tall that I keep picking. Let's do a fish because I've got a fish over here. Let's do that. Nothing wrong with some fishies. And it kind of goes with the little crab over here. Let's see, what is this guy? Let's do another one down here. That's what I primarily use my die cuts for, is large swaths, because they are such larger items that I can easily use those, filling in spaces if I need to, feel like I need to. Let's do this here. It's kind of a little bit much, isn't it? Yeah, I'll just leave it alone. Save it for later. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of my scone. I haven't had it yet, so let's see. It's lemon blueberry scone. And I'm supposed to rest them in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. I don't have time for that. Oh boy. I set the timer for the allotted time. I probably overcooked them by 2 minutes, but it's breakfast and it's delicious. And it goes along with our theme here with the blue. Totally unintentional. That's good stuff. I need my Becker board. Makes everything so much easier and seamless. My Cocoa Daisy clip. I love this clip. It came in the Cocoa Daisy kit a little while ago. It's my ride or die now. I did a video on how to use your acetate for stencil, and my stencil from February is still going strong. And I did different sizes, so probably don't need 4 priorities. So I know I need to talk to Caitlin. I need to email Debbie. What else? Poop, already forgotten. Goals and anxiety, that's right. And can I talk about my handwriting and my spelling? If I spell something wrong, I really don't care because, I just don't care. Be honest. I'm writing at breakneck speed without even thinking about how the spelling is. And sometimes my letters smush together anyway. So I really don't care. If I misspell something, you can call me out. I'm going to be okay. I won't die. But, we all misspell in our planner. I think we're allowed just a little grace on that one. I got to take another bite. That's all I've got for now. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on fast forward so I can get my scripting done for the day. Let's see, those are, oh, I forgot to show you my errands. Let's go look at errands today. We did library. We did Midwest tennis. I need to go to Kroger. Big Chicken Jungle Gems. Okay. I never did write that this was Costco. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Go back. Oh, my pages. I also read Pages last night and a new book. All right, it's called Indispensables. It's pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to finish the whole thing, but it's interesting. It's not very light, but sometimes I like to have a mix of light books and not light books. And then I'll just leave some space and then maybe have another one. And if I run out of room, I'll just put a tip in or something. All right, now let's journal. This is what yesterday's action list looked like, my scripting. And here we are. See, every page is new because I remember this page. I just don't remember where it is in the grand scheme of pages. So now I'm going to put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, sorry. I was a little crabby. You probably didn't see it, but like it felt crabby. I wrote that I was crabby. Rachel, who's executive function coach, she is called life facilitator. When I get like stuck in that, you don't know what to do next, change your scenery, go for a walk, take a shower, and that's where I was. So I went and took a shower. Do I look clean? So I'm all better, and I have a couple hours. I got a load of laundry started right after my shower because I was really sweaty from tennis. So now that we're all feeling better, right? Let's go ahead and turn you around. I think it's going to rain because the light in here is just a little bit off. I don't edit any of my lighting when I do my videos because I want it to be natural and decent, and I don't want it to be overexposed. I've done so many of those videos. Anyway, time to put my glasses. Our planning isn't meant for us to get stressed out over. It's meant for us to be productive in our own little season. Let's make it happen using not this, because wait, this is the one. This is the one I accidentally used. That's what it was. Let's use this one as a priority and make ourselves feeling productive and good. And I'm gonna grab my water and let's get to it. Let's go, guys. We can do this. All right, baseball check-in with the planner. Went to Jungle Gems after I dropped him off. This place is a Cincinnati gem. It is the hugest indoor international marketplace. I like to go there and look for different types of things to have fun with, like cooking. But I'm taking you here if you ever come to see me in Cincinnati. I went to Kroger today. Doing good. All right, let's go to today. Mark stuff. Did not do Ulta order. I need to email Debbie. Oh shoot. Sorry. We're losing 9-0. Good time to plan out tomorrow. Let's talk about real. So this morning, I needed to take the car in. Guess where my planner is? It's in the back of the car, which is where I had left it when we got home from baseball at 9 p.m. last night. This is real life. I mean, don't you guys have these sorts of things? Because this is the stuff that happens all the time. But I will get it back. It's not lost. It's just safely in the back of the car at the auto repair shop. So anyway, let's figure out what we're gonna use for the day. Guess what, guys? Somebody must have taken it out of my car. I might have taken it out of my car, but yeah, it's right here. Now I get to transfer all the stuff over. Sunday. Yeah, skipped a few days. Sorry, life got in the way. We had so many activities. We have ball boy tryout for the Cincinnati Open. We also had a plethora of baseball games. I also got my nails done. I also got my KRODesigns order, and I got to look through that. So many things happened, and I feel really bad that I didn't take you along necessarily for the ride. Here I am, being real, being accountable, and I want you guys, I'll flip the camera around so you can see what is all going on in my planner for the week. Where we left off, it was Wednesday, Thursday, still things to do, always things to do. Friday, I kind of like to put another little sticky note of things that I have left to do so I can try to finish those up by Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. While Saturday was full of stuff, I did get a lot of things done, and I'm just gonna be honest, I didn't keep Saturday to just Saturday. I kind of just morphed it down here and started just keep writing down here because I don't know how many more things I'm gonna get done today. But I could have used a tipped in, but I thought I would just use the rest of the space. And if I needed more space moving forward, I'd just grab a note sheet and stick it in if I needed to. I do need to set up for next week. I do need to think about meal planning for the rest of the week and start setting up my planner for the weekend. Now let's take a look at my scripting. I do plan to work on this today also while we're at ball boy training. I didn't get a ton of reading this week done, but I did document it. I got a few goals written down. And as far as my scripting pages went, here was the morning of the 3rd, afternoon of the 3rd. And remember, I like to highlight stuff, even though it's a different color, moving forward. Then we have, this is the 4th, I believe, and then we have the 5th. I did a lot of thinking about self-care on this day, and so I even wrote down that I needed to get my nails done, and I made an appointment Thursday night for Friday, and I got it done. This was one of my favorite spreads to set up, so working in it was a dream. I still feel like I need something here, but again, I can add that at any other time, but this is how scripting for Friday went. Here was Saturday when I had ball boy training, and then we went to Culver's afterwards. And so that is what that is. And today's Sunday, and I haven't done any scripting yet today. I did end up transferring a bunch of stuff to the back of my KRODesigns insert. And here is how I worked on my tennis tracker, or my workout tracker. What I did is use the stripe pages, and then I just use the dot stickers from the, I believe it was this creative kit or stationery kit. And then I've got something that's a month-long tracker in the weekly view. So here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You see how the point. So that was super fun to do. I worked on some anxiety video coping skills, worked on my routines, AM and PM. You saw how I did my YouTube notes over on Tuesday's video, I believe. And then I took a few notes for the 7th. So I've got a few more pages left to fill for the rest of the month. So it should work out perfectly exactly how I wanted it now that I have that page transferred over. I did end up covering this one up with here. I think I showed you that. So clean slate, I can do a month in review here, do a little journaling, what worked, what didn't work. And that is where I'm at for Sunday.